Today guys, I show you how to download CS 1.6 on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open Steam like me today and move here to store and type like me Counter-Strike. Go here on search and you will see Counter-Strike include 2 games. Click on it, move here down and you will see here add to cart. You can get 2 games for $8 on this sale today. Go here add to cart. As you can see, you can get Conditional Zero and Counter-Strike 1.6. Go view my card. Go here continue to payment, choose Steam wallet or PayPal like me and go here continue. After that go here in library and you will get 2 games like me, Counter-Strike 1.6 and Counter-Strike Conditional Zero, also with delete scenes. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Counter-Strike 1.6 and how to get 2 games for same price. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.